Hi, how are you all? Today's topic is what is a programming language? Let us start the topic. So, programming language, as we know, to communicate with a person, to communicate with a person, to communicate with a person, we need a specific language. To communicate with a person, we need a specific language. We need a specific language to communicate. To communicate. So, to communicate with a person, we need a specific language. Similarly, to communicate with a computer, to communicate with a computers, to communicate with a computer, programmers and developers need a specific language. Programmers also need a specific language. Need a specific language that is called programming language. That is called programming language. So, to communicate with a person, we need a specific language. So, that is, for example, English. So, to communicate with a computer, programmers also need a specific language that is called programming language. So, before we need to know about programming language, we need to know what is a language. So, language is a mode of communication. So, before knowing the programming language, so what is language? What is language? So, language is a mode of communication. Language is a mode of communication that is used to share ideas and opinions. With a person. Language is a mode of communication used to share ideas and opinions with each other. If we know that language, if both persons know that language, they need to communicate each other. Like that, to communicate with a computer, so programmer also need to know that language, computer also need to understand that language, then only they need to communicate with the computer. So that is called programming language. Language is a mode of communication. So next, what is a programming language? So a programming language, what is a programming language? What is a programming language? A programming language is a computer language that is used by a programmer. A programming language is a computer language that is used by a programmer or developers to communicate with computers. To communicate with the computers is a set of instructions written in any specific language. So programming language is a set of instructions, written in any specific language. Example, written in any specific language: C, C++, Java, Python, and so on. So to perform a specific task, programming language is a set of instructions to perform a specific task. So using these languages, C, C++, Java and Python and so on, many languages are there, we can use those languages to communicate with computers. So a programming language is mainly used to develop. A programming language is mainly used to develop desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications, and embedded applications. So we can develop all these applications using programming language. This is all about programming language. So thank you for watching our video. Thank you very much.